brother MURS, man.
In the stars, it's
Hand in the sky.
Come
on, hey, hey,
it is written
hey,
in
hey.
the stars.
It's written in the stars, I can see it, man. Hey, hey,
This enchanted
look. In 2015, I met Dr. Dre. He told me come to the studio, I was on my way. A beach house that was overlooking the ocean. I should have been celebrating instead. I mixed emotions on the terrace with exhibiting what defines me. Deep down inside, I'm like, I hope he doesn't ask Simon. Cause there's no way I can turn down an idol. But carving my own lane is a stain. I know it's vital. I'm a rival with my thoughts and my sabotage of myself. I can stay independent or sit on somebody's show. Fuck that. I'm hard-headed, I'm dreading my own needle. Stitch my own career, get fear of evil. If I listen to people, I'll be deeper in the red. Instead, bet on myself and learn to keep myself fed. It said, the fault ain't in the stars, the truth of you, but rather in the hearts of the men. The go is true, who knew? Hey!
It is written
Hands up, it's written in the stars, I can see it now. I can see it.
This enchanted.
We took it too far, just to leave it now.
It is written in the stars.
It's written in the stars, I can see it now.
This enchanted.
We took it too far, just to leave it now. Bay Area. Hey,
This enchanted.
MURS, where you see it?
I can see it in the skies like they all congregated. Spelled it out for me. You can say that it was constellated. I know that's not a word, but fuck it, now it is. Bending back to language, just telling you how it is. It's deeper than the track beats that coons be spitting on. Shooting for the stars, and the moon is what you're twisting on. Cricket told me I should find me one to wish upon. I was sitting home spitting phones until my dictaphone. Live from the block that my homeboys are tripping on. Trying to make $1 out of 50, they said get the chrome. Gangbangers testing me, gave me crack recipes. Found a different way to eat, the streets was not my destiny. Manifesting unique rhyme style.
MURS.
Crip walking on Mars, my child will be the first. My dreams are generational, hood was sensational. The iridescent specs in the sky is inspirational.
Much love to my brother MURS, man.
Locksmith. He's from the Bay Area. Is Richmond considered a Bay Area?
Hell yeah, yeah.
I think that place is a little rough. They might want to not claim that place, man. It's like Watts. We don't, LA, we're not Watts. Watts is Watts. I think Richmond is like Richmond.